How's it going, guys? My name is Jimmy, and this is my 2004 Mini Cooper S, and today we're going to be installing the portable CarPlay screen that you guys have been seeing all over TikTok. It's going to be an honest review. Inside the box, it comes with the suction cup mount, the portable screen. It comes with a hard mount, so like let's say if you want to like glue it onto the dash, you can also do that, but the only problem is that the plastic really isn't any flexible, and that's probably one of the issues I would do have with it. And then it also comes with the camera adapter, so you can actually put a backup camera on this too. And it comes with the power source, which is basically going to be your cigarette lighter from now on. Pretty much trying to put this shit together is going to be a pain, a lot, but got you guys. What? Nah, hey. Can't look at me like that. Making me mad. So mad. The one thing I kind of did notice is that you are gonna have like a whole bunch of wires everywhere. I mean, if you don't mind that, it's not really gonna be an issue for you, I guess. Also, just a cool fact, it also does come with 2 USB slots, just in case you want to continue using cigarette lighter port as like a normal USB charger. So it does come with that at least. So that's pretty much gonna get plugged in there. And honestly, I'm not sure if I feel like I want to keep this product, so I probably wouldn't use this one first. I'm actually going to end up going with the suction cup mount, just because like if I feel like this is good enough, I'll switch to the other one, just because now it's more of a permanent solution, where like this with the California heat is just going to end up getting like messed up and it's going to end up falling. Definitely would end up going with that one first. But let me figure this out real quick. I was gonna say, yeah, it's really this simple, but hold up. So basically, put the collar on, get the joint, pop the joint into it, and then this is what's gonna hold it in place at the angle that you want. I believe the power button is the top, so we could. I'm thinking I want to place it right here. I don't have an issue with that, so we're probably just gonna tighten the collar a little bit, keep that position, tighten the length. I'm cool with it being that close. And then I never said this was going to be easy installation. Hold up, one intervention real quick. Welcome back. Got everything connected. We are gonna have to borrow my girl's phone real quick, just to show you, because it's recording with my phone. But pretty much wasn't that difficult. And then so this is the transmitter part. So you might have to mess around real quick. Hold up, dude. This should be like giving the sound to the radio now, so anything that you end up hearing is going to end up going through the radio now. We're going to go to phone link and do CarPlay, and then so we're going to go into settings, Bluetooth, put the pin in there, and now we got CarPlay on this beat. From there, pretty much we could try some music out, because the one thing I was kind of scared about is it being like really laggy. And you could kind of tell that it is a little laggy, but I don't think it's something that bugs me too much. But maybe if you're like taking turns and stuff, that might be annoying. We know when like you're turning and like the GPS is like 5 minutes behind and it kind of like messes with you, or you're on the freeway and you have to like do like a fork and stuff like that. I feel like that might get a little annoying. But basically it was a little bit difficult to understand like what was going on. I tried using the FM transmitter, couldn't really do that. You could do Bluetooth. I don't have Bluetooth in this car, so what we're gonna end up doing is going through the aux. My car does have an aux, so I feel like we're gonna end up going through that. But point is, the sound's coming out really crisp. There's no really issues with the sound driver on the unit itself. But one thing we did notice is that the speaker never turned off for us. Maybe if I go through like the settings and everything, we'll be able to figure out what ended up happening with that. But honestly, it's not bad. I mean, it's playing the music, I'm driving, no real big issues, right? I feel like it's not bad, but definitely it is a little bit laggy and it's a little bit cumbersome. But if you have the time and patience to actually get it up and running, not bad. I do want to test it like driving though, just to see like how well it reacts to like driving and the latency with all the turns and stuff like that. I mean, it does seem like it's confused though. I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely confusing. But I don't think it's the fault of this. Honestly, I mean, I'm passing the corner at the exact same time. I don't feel like it's necessarily that late or anything. I mean, I don't mind it. Honestly, I like it. I spent $50 on it. If I didn't like, I do have an old radio. Like, it's it's really outdated. And like, let's say if I ever like did want to like, what do you call it? Did want to upgrade? Like, this is a $300 radio. To upgrade, I'm like, I'm not doing all that for $50. I get the same thing. Get like, I can do Bluetooth connection. I can do transmitters. Like, honestly, I feel like this is a good way of like making your car just a little bit modern for like a cheap price. Because honestly, those radio installations can get pretty bad. But you know what? I think she gets an A&R book. I think the all the commercials, don't get me wrong, were all a little too weird and goofy. But honestly, I feel like it was worth it. I like it. I'm keeping it in my car. I might end up switching the mounts. We'll see how long this suction cup lasts. But I think I'm happy with my purchase, and I think it was worth it.